Okay, a little unboxing video of the Freesea mini aquarium. I got this for a betta fish. I think I ordered white, so we'll see what this comes out as. It does come with a light and a filter, so I have to get this all set up. USB plugs in right in the back here. That's down like that. There's a filter, this is nice. Get that all set up. Alright, so good thing about this is that it does come with a 1-year service of refund and replacement. So if anything breaks or you have any problems with it, it's within a year of purchase, you can send it back or give them a call. They're open 24 hours a day, so it's fantastic. Let's see how this betta fish likes it.